Does anybody here want to speak with us? Who's here with us today? Feel free to touch my light to communicate with us. It won't hurt you. Oh, that was sinister. It won't hurt you. You can touch my light. We're here out of respect. We are here out of respect, and feel free to touch my light so I know that you're here. It won't hurt you. Come where? Where do you want me to come? So who is speaking with me? What is your name? So touch my light so I know that you're here with us. It's okay, it won't hurt you. It just lets me know that you're here with us. Isn't it strange how before you turned the camera on, this was spiking to yellow and red? What happened to you? Did you jump? Did you jump off the train or did you fall off the train? Were you walking on the tracks? Yes? Somebody said they were walking on the tracks. What is the girl who said they were walking on the tracks? What is your name? I didn't make that out. Margaret, maybe? Would you please touch my light so I know that you're here with me? You touched it before. Could you do it again? Dave? Is there a Dave here? Is somebody's name Dave that was here? Yes, Dave. What happened to you here? Empty. Lanes? Dave, did you die here? In the daytime? Would you touch my light, please? It won't hurt you if you touch my light. It just lets me know that you're here. Yeah, the minute I turned it. Would you touch it again? Would you please touch the light again? Make it go to orange like you just did. Okay, thank you for speaking with us.